stealing neighbor. Say, Wally!
You stay away from me, Woodpecker. This is my barbecue.
Dial prank phone. It's the next best thing to eating there.
Oh, Fern. Hello? Hello? Who's this? Woodpecker, get out of my yard!
Gee, Wally, I don't think your phone goes that far. Let's do lunch again real soon, Wally.
Are you annoyed by a woodpecker who constantly troubles you to your wits' end? Of course you are. And does he look like this?
Yeah, you bet. That's the guy, all right. Right there.
I thought so. Well, have you tried the silent treatment?
Well, I guess not.
Apparently not, Einstein. Many have tried and many have failed. But the new Dr. Doug Nuts technique really works.
Yeah? Well, I'll believe it when I see it.
Oh, a skeptic, eh? Well, let's see the doctor illustrate the technique. So, Dr. Nuts, how's it going? I said, how's it going?
Yeah, I'm not saying a word.
It really works.
See? This too can be you for only 17 payments of $39.95.
Hello, Nutco Inc.? Yeah, send over a silent treatment right away. Oh boy, silent treatment instructional audio. Ooh, the silent treatment.
Well, I wonder what's on the old agenda for today. I think I'll play golf today. Darn flowers! How's a guy supposed to golf? This tree's right in the way of my shot. Well, I'm not a woodpecker for nothing.
Don't forget rule number 17.
I'm not saying a word.
Attaboy!
Wally's gonna be mad. Better not let on I was playing golf. What happened, Wally? I heard a big crash. Lucky the tree didn't fall on you. It's not that big a deal, right? Okay, I admit it. It was me, Wally. But I'm good for it. Not now, but I'm good for it later. Oh, so it's the silent treatment, eh? Well, we'll just see about that, Buster. I'll break you, or I'm not fit to call myself a woodpecker. I'm a disgrace to my species. I'm not worthy of the woodpecker name. Yell at me one more time, would you, pal? For old time's sake, please? Okay, pal, you win. I can take a hint. I never thought it would come to this. Suddenly, I feel so cold and alone. Well, goodbye, pal. Don't look back.
Oh boy! No more woodpecker.
Feeling blue, friend? Has life got you down? Is it a problem with your neighbor? Is this walrus giving you
The
silent treatment? And does he look like this?
It's him!
I thought so. Then what you need is Dr. Dugnut's anti-silent treatment technique.
Ah, pshaw. Go peddle your papers.
Oh, another wise guy, eh? Well, I'll just let the doctor illustrate the technique. Say hello, doctor. Oh, Dr. Nuts.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. I said, knock, knock. Who's there?
I'm not saying a word.
It works!
That's right. For just 17 easy payments of $39.95, you'll get a reward-winning book of 1,001 knock-knock jokes guaranteed to break anyone's silent treatment or even their will to live.
Ah, phooey. Who needs a book? I got 1,002 knock-knock jokes right here in the old bean.
Ain't it swell? I'm finally rid of the woodpecker.
Oh, no, you're not. Hey, Wally, how's about a couple of words for your old buddy? Knock, knock.
Who's there?